This week I will be covering conditional statements that will mean using if-else conditions, and there will be a homework assignment at the end of the video. Alright, so we're going to go to the code here, and what I have already typed out, and you kind of saw the output where I entered in an uppercase A. We're asking for a letter here and putting that into a variable. The input is then being converted to lowercase. Now, why is that important? Well, my condition is only checking for lowercase a's. So if I type in uppercase A, I need it to satisfy this condition if it is an A, regardless if it's upper or lowercase. So one way to do that is to convert everything to lowercase, and then all of your conditions only check lowercase letters. You can do the same thing for uppercase, or you could also do this, which is to add the or operator and then do letter is equal to uppercase A. So this part here is actually not needed because we're converting everything to lowercase. So I'm going to convert that back to the way it was. Now when you run this, I enter in lowercase a, I get A, run it again, give it a second. Alright, and I still get the same thing whether it's upper or lowercase. Now, when you're writing if-else conditions, you can do as many else-if statements that you need. There can only be one if, and there can only be one else. Now, the else is not required. So if I come down here and comment this out, that means I got 3 conditions that it will check, and if none of those conditions are met, nothing gets outputted. So let me demonstrate. Alright, so I'm going to type in the letter U. And as you see, it did not output anything, and it just went straight to the exiting condition, which is down here below the if-else statements. So if I uncomment this and comment the conditions for B and C, then run the application. Actually, I think I need to correct. Yeah, we're going to correct that. Alright, now run. So if I type in the letter K, it's going to say you type something other than A, and that is correct because the only 2 conditions that it's checking is the if, and if the letter is not equal to A, then